So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Platinum City Light Moshi, which is located near Tube Vasti, Moshi, Pune and developed by Platinum Groups. In this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you are just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Platinum City Light will be constructed on 3 acres of land parcel consisting of 7 towers. Each tower will be having ground plus podium plus 16 floors with 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी की. आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. मेरे राइट हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं ये रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और सेल्स ऑफिस के ठीक सामने आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर स्वामी समर्थ मार्ग, कुदले बस्ती, मोशी, पुणे. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो आपको कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाती है मोशी PMT bus stand within 1 kilometer, DMart Dehu within 2.5 kilometer and Croma within 2.8 kilometer. And now coming to the amenities part of the project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like amphitheater, multi-purpose court, clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, senior sit out area and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Platinum City Light has 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences, and 1 BHK is starting from 479 to 543 square feet and 2 BHK is starting from 690 to 760 square feet and 2.5 BHK is starting from 809 square feet and 3 BHK is starting from 918 to 980 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and will show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was a project overview of Platinum City Light Moshi, which is located near Tube Vasti, Moshi, Pune and developed by Platinum Group. और अगर आप नई लोकेशन में कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस क्लिक ऑन द गिवन बिलो लिंक and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.